Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I'm in Carlsbad, California, just north of San Diego, to check out one of Esquire magazine's top new restaurants of 2019. I'm gonna go check out Jeune Et Jolie. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Jimmy here with The Other Chef. On this channel, we talk about the food service industry. We also do some product and food demos, as well as check out some of the eats and drinks in the local scene. So if you're interested in some of those topics, consider subscribing. So previously mentioned in the video, I am just north of San Diego to check out one of the top new restaurants according to Esquire magazine, Jeune Et Jolie. So let's get going. Jeune Et Jolie is a French-style bistro with a open kitchen feel as if you're in France. It also has a beautiful oyster and seafood display, which was one of the first courses that I had with my meal, alongside with the menu, though I opt for the carte blanche menu. The first course is a salmon crudo with citrus dashi gelée, tofu mousse, turnips, tangerine, and crisp chili garlic. This was a very great dish, had lots of flavor, including the gelée from the dashi and the creaminess from the mousse. The next course was my salad course, a potato and celery confit with celery root puree, avocado mousse, and sauce Gabriche. The warm egg oozed out on the palm ana and was a great compliment to all the wonderful celery and avocado flavors. I love the beautiful presentation of the celery and potato, as well as the warm egg. The next course was my seafood course. This was a ricotta gnudi dumpling with seared scallop, fresh seaweed, and sauce Americaine. Very light, perfect sear on the scallop, and loved the freshness of the seaweed and the classic sauce Americaine. The next course was my meat course. This was a Snake River Farms cap steak with grilled maizotake mushrooms, onion foam, and toasted brioche. Very classic presentation with a beautiful cut of meat, razor thin mushrooms, and a whimsical play on the sauce and beautifully toasted brioche. And finally, dessert, a pâte à choux with brown butter, apple compote, popcorn ice cream, and caramel corn. A very fun way to enjoy a great meal with this wonderful dessert. Crunchy, buttery, good fruit flavor, as well as the candy caramel corn. At the end, I was presented with a check presenter, which was ironically a very old green Michelin hotel guide, in hopes of them reaching the Michelin guide in the San Diego, California area in 2020. Overall, my thoughts with Jeune Et Jolie was lived up to the expectations. Not only exemplary service, wonderful food, wonderful atmosphere, and I really think that this restaurant will make it on the Michelin guide in 2020. Hey, thanks for watching. If you loved this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell for notifications of future content on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.